Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the 3-in-1 wireless charging station dock from YCharge. This offers up to 25 watts of magnetic charging, has multi-function charging for your MagSafe device, for your Apple Watch, and for your AirPods. You can also affix this ring that's metal to a phone that doesn't have MagSafe, and you can line it up exactly how it needs to be for QI wireless charging. Here's some information on the back of what the charging modes have to offer. You can pause this video anytime and take a look at the specifics, but again, it offers the charging for the AirPods here, Apple Watch, and the MagSafe iPhone 12 series and above. I have an Apple Watch here, and this comes and sticks right on here for magnetic charging. Now, if it were plugged in, it would start charging right away. It comes with a 20-watt quick charge 3.0 power delivery charger. It has USB-A and USB-C here, and then they also include a charging cable, which is nice, USB-A to USB-C, and screws and other pieces here to put everything together. So it's a bit of a DIY project, but once it's together, it can charge all of your devices 3-in-1 for less at your desk or bedside. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up on the new YCharge 3-in-1 wireless charging station dock.